Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. Today I will be doing a few summer DIYs decors. Right here is a picture that I got from my calendar, and I'm also going to Mod Podge it onto a little thin cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then add a little bow on the side later, and it turns out really cute. I got some wrinkles. I wasn't really satisfied with it, but I'm thinking it was just so thin and maybe I didn't spread it out enough. Sometimes, you have to go back over it, and I didn't do it, but it turned out to be fine to where I was going to place it. So right here, I'm just going to Mod Podge it onto this plastic little thin cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I should have just spreaded it out more and more. So I did end up afterward with some little extra wrinkles, but the place that I placed it at in my home is fine. It's not really visible once it's placed, and it's fine. In here, I got this black and white my ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I got this from Hobby Lobby. So I just get a little bow, fold it on itself, and just kind of go around the top and the side of it, and that was it for that project. It was something that was quick and didn't take too long at all to do, and so I was satisfied with it at the end. I've been using a lot of, as I said, my lemons, and so this is a little ways from the lemon, get away from it a little bit, but I still have a lot of lemon and black and white checkerboard that I'm still going with and loving the colors of it. So here is something a little different, and I love some of the little pictures that you can get from your calendar. So I just placed it here, and then I'm just going to go along the side with ribbons on the top of it and then along the side, and it works out fine for me. And I just ducktail the end here, and then I'm gonna go along down the side and pretty much do the same thing. And we'll be so surprised at little small simple things you can do. Pictures from your calendar, something as thin and small as a little plastic cheap cutting board. And I wanted something to go kind of where I did the fold at. And then another thing, I have to be so careful because I had the paper and it was kind of sticking to that. So I did take one of the little melon pieces that I had off of here and just glued it there. And then I think it came out really cute. And right here I have the little box. I glued these together, I think in the fall. So I just decided to use a little white chalk paint that I got from Amazon. And here I'm just going to, I had some KENZIE's little paper plates. So I just cut them out after I dried this, something, like I said, a very quick summer project as well. So I just cut like 3 pieces out from the paper plate here and just glued them on the front and just added, a little summer's flower here. And it turned out really simple, really quick, something, just nice to me. And that's what we want, something nice. Don't take all day to do or that long. Not that you don't mind to take your time and do your crafting, but sometimes things don't have to be as hard as we make them. And this is the final reveal with the calendar piece that I use along with the cutting board. And this is the little box finishing up. Please tell me what you think and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, and right here is one of the little wood circles I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have the yellow scrap paper, the yellow and black checkerboard that I ordered from Amazon, and I will have that in my description below. And here I decided to just add a flower to greenery to it. And it turned out cute. I was trying to add some pictures from my images from my Cricut machine, and I just had such a problem. I had to take it off, and I don't know, just one of those little days with that. But it ended up being simple but cute to me, so I left it at the end the way that it was. So here I put some extra little Mod Podge on, and then I just added a little bowl, and the little greenery on the top was all I needed to do to start out with. But you know how we add little decals here or there, and it just ended up not working for me. But toward the end, it worked out okay. And I just add a little greenery here, and in the center, I put a little yellow flower that I had um, from my stash there. And really, if I would have left it this way, it would have been just fine. But I decided to do the word summer, but it just didn't turn out, or whatever was going on with it. I'm not sure what happened, but I ended up having to remove the word summer from it. It didn't work out, and I had a little bucket I was gonna put there as well, and I had to end up removing that as well. The little bucket image was cute, but for whatever reason, I just had a problem with it. It didn't want to come off or whatever. I don't know whether it was still too damp or whatever was going on with it, but I just had no luck with it. And this is the final reveal of the circle, and I think it turned out really nice. Thank you